We're still repairing this image that we straightened, and now we need to repair this missing jib halyard. Now for the other halyards, we were able to easily repair those by simply cloning the existing lines. However, this line has hardware attached, so simply cloning this existing line wouldn't produce an accurate looking image. We'll need to transition from the hardware to a line and continue up on the same angle as the sail is being pulled up on. Now we can use one of these existing lines over here, but we'll need to rotate and composite it in manually. So start by grabbing your rectangular marquee tool and then click and drag to make a selection around the forward line. Then copy that to your clipboard, add a new layer, and paste those pixels in place. Then double click on the layer to change its name, and let's call it jib halyard. Now grab your Move tool from the top of the toolbar or press the V key to access it. Then click and drag to move those pixels over into an approximate location. Now go up to the Edit menu and select Free Transform or press Command or Control T. Then zoom into your image with Command or Control plus a few times, and spacebar drag up to those pixels. Now with your cursor outside of the selected pixels, click and drag to rotate the line in order to match the existing line. Click inside of the selection to reposition it. You may need to go back and forth to make a few adjustments until you're happy with your selection. Then hit Enter or Return to lock in that transformation. Now let's blend these pixels into the main image. Drag your jib halyard layer below the D of St. Mary's. Then select the D layer and add a layer mask. Then make sure that your foreground and background colors are reset, and then press the X key in order to swap them so that black is your foreground color. Then grab your brush or press the B key and right-click on your image and set the brush size to about 15 pixels and the hardness down to 0. Now make sure your mask is selected and then paint in those pixels. Now if you make a mistake, just press the X key to swap your foreground and background color so you're back to painting with white. You can paint out your mistake, then swap back again and try once more. Now let's zoom out with Command or Control 0 to fit the entire image. Now that took a few extra steps, but now you know how to straighten an image and several tools for repairing missing parts of an image, including the Content Aware fill, the clone stamp, and creating a custom mask.